So guys, welcome back. We started working on alignment, so we need to go further. We need to continue on it. So we've been able to come up with alignment layout tools table. So a dialog box rather. So we have a lot of ways of designing our alignment. So let's look at this. No, let's look at this here first. You can use straight way of designing. That means we only what it means by straight is that you have your align you have your line. That will be the alignment comprises our line alignment or the plan comprises a straight curve. That's how it's done. So we do our straight. Where the straight meet is what we call the IP. We will see that as we go further. So you can say straight. We are with curves. We have already programmed the curve, but mostly I don't use this. So you can do the settings here. Put a curve of 200. I don't use this. What I use most is this. So move here. Let's come here. We click here. We have fixed straight. At the alignment, when you want to start working on your alignment, you need to start with this fixed straight. That's what we start from. Then other later on, you can now start using other methods. Fixed straight from curve, end, length, then fixed line, best fit, then flow straight. Flow straight means what anything floating means you can it's when you are adjusting any element attached to it, it will also align with it. It also adjusts with it to have to be perpendicular, to have to be tangential to that. We will see that as we go further. So if you want to start this, we click on this fix straight. We will start our alignment. So you can come here, you start here. So this is our center line. I'll come like this. This I'll just bisect it. I'll put it here. Let me put this one here. This which means this is more or less like a straight road because it's an existing road. So you have this. It's not compulsory your center line passes on directly on the center line because the way that I did it also cannot be perfect. So can continue. So you can see what happened there. If I say I should continue like this, I'm going to go out of the alignment. You can see this is why it is good to have some of your features drawn. This center line means the center of the road. Is it possible for me to have my center of the road here? If I have my center of the road at the head of this culvert, which means part of the road is here, part of the road is here. And most likely, since this is the head of the culvert, this is a stream. So you cannot have a road on the stream. So that's why it's good to bring out the future. It will guide you a lot. So let's say we stop this here. As we see that it's deviating, when you see that it's going away from the alignment or from the existing alignment, you stop it. You now continue again, come back here. At this point, you can use, okay, you can come back here. You can say, okay, let's say you come here, then you can see we have changed it. So follow this line the way it is. If I go like this again, you can see I want you to look keenly, observe. You can see what is happening here. You can see that my alignment is like going out. My own alignment has going out of the existing alignment. You can see it's out of the road. But you can see from the lower down, from the lower side of it, it's on the center line. But as it goes above this culvert, it starts deviating. So that means we are going out of alignment. So we have to come back. We stop here. Let's check it out. Almost on the same on the alignment, almost on the points. So here, this is a straight that stop there, then down change direction here. This point where it's just whether it's what we call the IP or PI. That is intersection point or point of intersection. That's what we have here as the label. So we have this. So we can now do well. Look at this. We have issue here. So here You can bring here because here this is the culvert and we are supposed to be at the ideally at the middle of the culvert. Let's say we have here. Sometimes it will not be ideal at the middle. What you just do is try and use the surveyor's idea to guide yourself. Sometimes it may not be at the middle because sometimes the culvert may be longer on one side of the other than the other. So you just use this, just go by what the surveyor gave you as center line. So if you have any issue with this, you can go back again. And adjust this one. So you can see it has practically aligned itself. So now we've done, we have our point of intersection. What next? We have our curve. We have our straight. You can't have a road and the car will drive towards here, then there'll be a sharp change in direction again, then it gets somewhere here. The same thing happens. So what we do, that's why we need to have a curve on it. So let's add one more alignment, one more straight. So when we have this, so we have two eyepiece now. So we can now introduce our curves. So we can say, I'll bring it like this, we can say fixed curve. Mostly I don't use the fixed curve. What I do, I just go to more floating curves. More floating curves, it gives the curve flexibility. The curve can adjust. Anytime you need to shift it, it will shift easily. So you come here, I do this from element end to point. No, sorry, I do what I use this. Since I have my straights available already, so I use curve between two elements, 2 points. Okay. So you click on this, and you have your curve here. So a car comes into the straight drive. So you can see the details of the curve. PC means beginning of the curve, then midpoint of the curve, middle of the curve, then PT means end of the curve. So let's look at another. This is another IP point. So we can have something like this here too. So, so we have your details, point of curvature, and beginning of curve, middle of curve, middle of curve, then end of the curve. So this is one way of doing our alignments. The other way, we'll talk about another way in the next video. Thank you very much. Till we meet in the next video. Thank you.